Ambrosia salad. So, hello everyone and welcome to Sea Smoke. Tonight we're going to make a simple dessert, and this is a vintage classic from the 70s. It's Ambrosia salad. So I'm sure a lot of y'all has had it at grandma's house or picnics or things like this. So we're going to show you how easy and how quickly this is to put together. We have some pineapple chunks here we're going to use. And just a regular small size can is more than plenty. Just be sure to drain all your fruit and take the liquid off. We have a small can of mandarin oranges. Then we had a small jar of maraschino cherries. And you need 6 ounces of vanilla yogurt, which we have some Greek yogurt here. It's not quite 6 ounces, but it's almost. It's like 5 points. But you can use any kind of vanilla yogurt you like. Alright, and then you're going to use 1 whole container of whipped topping or Cool Whip. You can use any brand you like. You can use reduced fat or reduced sugar. Now you're supposed to add shredded coconut to this, but I went to 2 different stores and I couldn't find any shredded coconut, so we're not going to actually put any of the coconut in here, which is, it's okay, I like coconut, but I'm not that big of a fan of coconut, so we're just going to omit that. Can you see? Alright, and then all you need to do is add some mini marshmallows also. Ooh, my goodness, I need the whole bag. And you just stir it all together.
This is hard to stir.
Are you getting it all? Let me see. I'll make sure you get the yogurt all in there. Or you can just sit there and let your daughter eat all the food without the bowl lid. Oh, threw it out. Alright guys, oh, I'm making a mess here. Can I have a napkin? And that's it when it's done, and that's your Ambrosia salad. So we hope you enjoy this vintage classic dessert, and we hope you enjoy the videos, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy cooking.